Justin Wolfratt here. We're introducing the Crozier-Williams renovation behind the scenes. All right, so here we are at the 1962 room. We're going to be doing mostly finishes in this room and a new partition for event space, conferences, and student experience. Right now we're in the Crozier. Big difference here, we'll have the walkout patio, and as you can see, we actually have a clear view of Crow Boulevard. We've taken down that wall. So with the rough-in starting, this is what you see as the start of the final product. Here's going to be new partition walls and the new living space in the upper part of Crow. Currently we're under demo, and we'll be completing that in the next few weeks, starting rough-ins for final construction.